Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Boot Barn? This is ticker BOOT. Now, this is an idea that I lifted from our active trading room at StockMarketMentor.com. We have thousands of members from all over the world collaborating together on our website, sharing ideas every single day. And this is one that I saw today, and I think this is a pretty interesting chart considering we saw SPY break down today and close under that 50-day moving average. So while most of the market was red, Boot Barn showed some really interesting relative strength today. And you can see how this stock gapped up and has since just kind of drifted back down to that 21-day exponential period moving average. That's the gray line on the chart. We got a gap fill to the downside, and today a bullish engulfing candlestick coming on higher than average volume. So we have this potential upside reversal or trend change in motion. Now we can see what this stock needs to do. It needs to get out of this consolidative channel. You can see how the stock is just kind of channeling down, not really doing much of anything. And we want to see it break out. And so what I would do in this situation is probably take a look at this tomorrow. And if it does show us some relative strength to the upside and a move back above that 8-day exponential period moving average, I think you could probably put a stop loss right under that 91.25 level, take a little stock, and if you get rewarded, layer into a potential starter position if this does fix itself and get back above all the major moving averages here. So this is definitely one to watch, and I appreciate our members at StockMarketMentor.com for bringing so many great ideas to the table each and every day. And if you want to see what we are talking about and what we're doing in this tape, be sure and take a trial. Click that link. 14 days, $7, best deal in town. I hope to see you on the other side.